ng buong bansa sa September 26.
Ano ba talaga tayo?
Para tayong bisikleta, tayo yung gulong-ulit. Hindi na takbo. Pag wala yung isa. I've Fallen for You. Only from Star Cinema. September 26 in theaters. Hey, are you talking divorce?
Di ba ka na narinig naman yan? Andiyan ka, dito ko.
He wanted a complete family. Are you having an affair with him? Will he risk his love for it? Alis, may problema ako sa bahay.
Hindi lang ikaw may problema dito sa mundo.
Tayo may problema. Ang mami ko at ang daddy mo. I've Fallen for You. Directed by Lino S. Cayetano.
Sabi ng puso mo, hindi yan magsisinungaling. Ba't ka bigyan na wala?
The only cure for love. Alex, alam ko ang dami ko ng kasalanan sa'yo.
Ayoko nang sagsagan pa.
Alex, is loving a little bit more.
Bakit ang bike? Nakapag-break ang cellphone? Nalulupat? Bakit ang puso hindi napipigilan?
I've Fallen for You. Directed by Lino S. Cayetano. Coming this September.
Sa sinasabi ng puso mo, hindi yan magsisinungaling.
Celebrate with us as Star Cinema launches the hottest love team of this generation. I promise I will do nothing or allow anyone to hurt you. Gerald Anderson and Kim Chu.
Ano ba talaga tayo?
Alam mo na yan. In a film by Lino S. Cayetano, I'm Fallen for You. Coming this September 26. Pwede ba pag-ibig?
Ha?
Salamat ah.
Naku, sobra ka na.
It's not the grand gestures that make love last.
Alam ko naman na pag nagmahal ka, walang guarantee na hindi ka masasaktan.
But every moment that you spend together. Taking our chance. Kasi alam din natin na darating yung perfect time para sa atin. I've Fallen for You. Directed by Lino S. Cayetano. Coming.
Makinig ka sa sinasabi ng puso mo, hindi yan magsisinungaling.
How can you choose between the ones that you love? Are you having an affair with him?
Ano ba talaga kayo ng mami ni Alex?
And the one who loves you?
Bakit ang bike? Nakapag-break ang cellphone? Nalulupat?